No, the court basically observed that insofar as his arrest is concerned, there are certain aspects on necessity of arrest, whether it was necessary or not, legal aspects, which have to be examined by a larger bench. So they have not finally pronounced on that. But they said Mr. Kejriwal has undergone a large period of incarceration already. He has stayed in jail and therefore directed his release on bail immediately in the Enforcement Directorate matter.
And court has also referred matter to larger bench. What is that?
So therefore the question is ED arrest under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, that is PMLA. There is a section 19 which has a certain threshold of arrest, which is like you have to have a prima facie, you have to have a view that the person is prima facie guilty. Now in addition to that, is there a requirement of a necessity of arrest, which is a classical, under classical criminal law, that is a requirement. Does that also superimpose itself on the section 19 requirements is a question that the court has referred to a larger bench, which a larger bench will decide.
Will Mr. Kejriwal be released today?
No, so in the ED matter, he's been released now. But as you are aware, after the trial court had granted him bail, the CBI had also arrested him. So now in the CBI matter, although the allegations effectively overlap in both of them, because in fact the ED argued the CBI's case also. But nevertheless, technically there is a separate case which exists. That also bail petition has already been moved in the High Court. And that bail we should, its hearing is on 17th of this month. And that is not a merits bail. It's a standard bail. Unlike Section 45 PML, there is no requirement of assessing the matter on merits and then only rejecting or accepting a bail. So we will see what happens in that. But after this, we are quite optimistic that since that is not a merits bail, he should even in the CBI matter get released very soon.
There are various issues of law which the Supreme Court was grappling with. One of the issues was necessity of arrest. We had argued before the court that since the material was there with ED since July, August of 2023, why was he arrested in March of 2024? That argument has, I don't have the final copy of the court, so I can't tell you in detail. But court must have considered that argument, and therefore court had said that IO cannot just arrest like this. And necessity of arrest has also to be considered by IO. Now, what are the parameters of that necessity of arrest which IO has to consider has been referred to a larger bench. But during the time that the matter is pending before the larger bench, the court has allowed Mr. Kejriwal to be out on interim bail. So as far as ED matter is concerned, the court, Mr. Kejriwal is out. As far as CBI matter is concerned, since he's been arrested in CBI, his matter is going to come up on 17 before High Court, where we would be asking and praying the court, the High Court, to release him immediately, because there are no strict conditions which are there in CBI.